Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at some parallel kits, okay? I have several parallel kits right here. We have one from Pulsar. Everyone knows the Honda parallel kit, real simple. This one's from Generac, Champion, Power Horse, Firman, and Duromax 9000. We're going to go through these parallel kit. Guys, we're going to see which one would work for you. Every one has a different feature. We're going to go through each one and see which one would work best for your application. Okay? So let's get started. We're going to start with the most simplest one first, the Honda. There's nothing really to the Honda parallel kit. You just have your plugs right here. It's a simple, look like a 10 gauge wire. One on each side, your ground, positive and negative. And that's all it takes to parallel the EU 1000, the EU 2000, and the EU 3000. All you need is this parallel kit. Okay? The next one down, the Pulsar. The Pulsar has a 50 amp plug, and it also has the plugs on the bottom. As you can see, this one has just black, white, and green. Green being ground. It does not matter how you plug these parallel kits in, okay? You can mix them up, it does not matter. The generator is going to figure it out. This one, even though it has a 50 amp plug, guys, it's only 120 volt. So many people ask me, can you do 240 with these parallel kits? No, you cannot. The only one that supports 240 volts is the Duromax. See right here, it does 240 volt 30 amps and 240 volt 50 amps. This is the only one that will support 240 volt. So if you're looking for a parallel kit that will support 240 volt, this is the one that does it, okay? In my collection right here. There may be other ones. That's the only one I have that does 240. Okay, next we're going to look at the Champion. The Champion parallel kit. It has the twist lock 30 amp and the 50 amp RV plug. Also 120. Let's take a closer look at it. 120 volt L530R. Each one of them has their breaker. I like that. And your 50 amp plug right here. So you get two breakers. One thing you have to notice about the Champion, they have the Paralink. So I'll show you the difference real quick. See, this is a square plug. Okay? Square adapter plug. And if you look at something like the Honda, you see it's round. So guys, when you're buying your generator, make sure you pay attention to this, okay? Make sure you pay attention if you're getting the square on one generator and the square on one generator and the round on another generator. Most of these parallel kits will not work. But I'm going to show you something that the Champion took care of. It comes with adapters. So what this adapter allows you to do is if you have one generator that's square and another one that's round, you can plug this round into the round one. It will make it to you so where you can use your square parallel kit. Isn't that cool? It's just a little adapter. There's a red one and a black one. They're located right on the back. Let me show you. See? Goes right here. 1, 2. So if you have oddball generators, one round, one square, I recommend you getting this one. The adapter will take care of that. IQ 2000. This will allow you to parallel a 1000 and a 2000 watt generator. So you could do two 1000 and two 2000. Then what I really like about this one is it uses regular AC plugs, 15 amp plug. So you could plug any generator, especially if you have an inverter generator that does not have the parallel kit, like most of them, you can use this on it. Okay? It plugs right into the outlet. Then we have the WAN parallel kit, 50 amp RV, and 30 amp twist lock. You got your circuit breaker, 50 amp circuit breaker right here. And this one's for your 15. This is for your 50. Okay? This one does have the round. Which one should we go to next? Let's look at the XP9000. Okay, remember what I said, the XP9000 is the only one that allows you to do 230 volt, 240 volt, 30 amp, 240 volt, 50 amp. So you could put two XP9000, the Duromax 9000 on this. Okay? That's the parallel kit. Square plugs. Alright, you got the square plugs, your ground. Next, we got the Firman. I like this one. I've done a video on this one. The Firman 1201. Okay? RV 50 amp. Twist lock 30 amp. Both have their separate switch. Real nice. Now we have the power horse. This guy right here has your 30 amp twist lock, RV plug, and RV 50 amp. So you get all three from this guy right here. And you also get this real nice compartment. Okay, look at this. This compartment opens up, everything stores inside. It's the square plugs. And when you're done, just tuck everything in and close it. Let's tuck it back in right here and close it away. Keeps everything real nice and neat. Okay? So if I had to pick one of these, I would have to give the Duromax first place for a 240 volt square plug. In second place, I would have to go with this guy right here, the Power Horse, because it has all the plugs, circuit breakers, square, RV, and 50 amp. Real nice. I really like this one. In third place, I would have to go with the Champion. This one right here will work for a lot of people. You can do two 4500s and get your 50 amp and your 30 amp square, and it comes with one adapter kit. So you can use a round or square pin, okay? Awesome. Then I would have to go with the Firman. Even though it has a round, more the older one. Then the WAN. The parallel kit, I love the fact that it uses 50 amp plugs. The Pulsar, if you just need a single 50 amp plug. And then the simple Honda. Okay guys, so this is my overview of some parallel kits. Okay, so what we're going to be doing, I'm going to do individual testing of each parallel kit with a generator, putting them in parallel, all right? Stay tuned for the test, each one of these parallel kits. Guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to Gavin's Garage. I would really like to have you as a subscriber. Okay? I will put the link to the parallel kits in the description so you guys can see the prices and their features. All right, real quick video on some parallel kits. Guys, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.